Alright, so now we just keep it on the ground until we get to a flying speed. The glider lifts into the air. Stay about 3 to 5 feet above the ground, right behind the tow plane. The tow plane lifts off, and we just follow him. Yeah, so it's a little bit bumpy at lower altitudes just because the wind rubs up against trees and buildings and stuff, and because of that it makes small disturbances of air called mechanical turbulence. So it clears, like you can see right now, it's really smooth.
Yeah.
How you doing?
010 at 5, clear takeoff from 86.
Golf course.
Alright, so as we start getting... F36.
1 wind 02.
So he just told us the winds, which helps us set up our approach. So he said they're 02 coming from 0205. So they're coming from the north at about 5 knots, which is really good for landing because 5 knots isn't that much wind. It'll make our approach real nice.
Yeah.
And as we start getting lower, we start going on to base, increase our speed to 55 miles an hour. Established at the correct altitude. Start setting up. You can see where the center line is on our first landing pad there. That's what we're aiming for, is the center line on the first landing pad.
Yeah. Why don't we land on the roads?
Because normally there's a tow plane and glider waiting there, waiting to take off, and all the cadets are here to get training for their license. Land on the grass. And then glider just sits on the ground. There's a little bit of a ditch there.
This is my dad getting into the glider. This is my dad being towed out for his glider fight. And Hannah and Mick over there. Here he goes. There goes my dad on his glider. If I'd Hannah move.